Welcome back to Hoodie Day and One Dress Day at JCSN New York. I'm Natalie. Today, we'll be covering the reports of how the Burmese python became an invasive species in the Everglades National Park. I'm going to turn it over to our chief interviewer, Jahshaun, who is standing with a witness of a Burmese python attack.
Thanks, Natalie. Here with me I have Connor Hutchinson, who says he has seen the Burmese python.
Thank you for having me, Sean.
Connor, tell us what happened.
So, I was outside my Florida home where I see my dearest cat, Jezebel, eaten by a Burmese python.
Have you heard of any other attacks in the area?
No, except my dear cat, Jezebel.
How did you report this?
Well, I walk outside to see my cat being gobbled up by a Burmese python, and I report it to the authorities immediately.
How do you feel the authorities should attempt to control the Burmese python population?
Kill them all and avenge my dear cat, Jezebel.
Thanks for speaking with me, Connor.
Yes.
Wow, so tragic. Here at JCSN New York, we send our condolences to Connor. Now, here's some important information about the Burmese python that you should know. The Burmese python came from Burma. We can assume it came to Florida through an exotic pet trade. The python's main choice of food is small mammals that they can constrict with their large bodies. Since there is no predator that eats them, making them an apex predator, there's nothing to control their population. If you spot one of the snakes, report them to your local animal shelter as soon as possible. Now, we'll turn it over to our very good intelligent head broadcast specialist, Jahshaun.
Thank you, Natalie. We send our condolences down to Connor. According to the officials, there's an abundance of water that the pythons prefer to be around. The normal temperature in the Everglades are from 70 to 80 degrees, which is perfect weather because the pythons are used to the warmer weather. Other animals in the environment, such as manatees, black bears, tree snails, diamondback rattlesnakes, just to name a few, are intimidated by the Burmese pythons.
Yeah, those pythons are a piece of work. That's all the time we have today, folks.
Thank you for watching our Hoodie and One Dress segment.
I'm Natalie.
I'm Jahshaun.
And this is JCSN New York. I thought we were putting our hands over here.
We were.